Welcome back to Adventure Repeats. Glad to see you here. So today we're working on a 2018 Polaris RZR. This is the turbo model, and we're doing the transmission fluid change. So this process is going to be very similar to a non-turbo model itself, but we're going to show you how it's done to get us back on the trail. Your rain plug on these for the transmission is right here in the back. That is an 8mm Allen socket, and we take that out and start draining the fluid. These do have a magnet on there, so you want to check to make sure that's clean. This has got quite a bit of metal on there, so we're going to get that all cleaned up and get it going. And once it's finished draining, we're going to put the drain plug back in. Torque spec for the drain plug is 14 foot-pounds, same for the fill plug. Fill plug is located right here on the back, same 8mm Allen wrench socket. And this has a trailer hitch on there, so it makes it a little bit harder to get to. But that is where it's at, right there. And that's it right there. We're going to get that cleaned up. And the fill hole is nice and open. So this does call 61 fluid ounces for capacity, which ends up being just shy of 2 quarts. But the idea is you still just fill it till it spills out the drain or the fill hole right there. And that's going to be just shy of 2 quarts. Short little hose on there makes it easy to get into there through the hole. And we're just going to fill it up. Always a big fans of Amsoil fluids for all my power sports and everything I run. Squeeze bags also make this a nice and easy process. We're going to squeeze it and it fills all the fluid without having to worry about it falling out of a bottle. And there's dripping. Put a drain plug back in. Torque to 14 foot-pounds. As you can see, transmission service is super easy to do on these, and ours took about 2.5 quarts before it started filling out over the hole. So we could have left it at capacity because I looked in there, it was just below the threads, but I like to always top it up the way it should be to make sure it's going to work properly in the long term. So super easy to do. Highly recommend doing this, especially if you haven't done it in a while, because ours is super dirty, had a lot of metal on that drain plug. So you want to do this more often than not because it's just a couple quarts of fluid and it's done in about 30 minutes. Hopefully you can like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what's in here about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember to have a great adventure.